Okay, it's narrating at this moment in time?
Well, yeah, I know it's running. It's, as
Okay.
long as the numbers are up.
Okay, we're heading down the hill. This is what they call the roller coaster. Holger's being very tentative right now.
Do you want me to go faster?
Absolutely. Just bomb it down here. No, don't bomb it. Just take it easy. Go a certain level of speed.
Oh, look at that. We're driving through a waterfall. Holy shit.
Keep going. Slow, 1 minute. Very cool. Wow, look at all the water coming down in this place.
All right.
I think we saved that lizard's life a bit.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
All right.